Hey guys, it's Mat.C. Today we're going to talk about the Chevy Cruze. I've run into a couple issues. My check engine light's on. I get a message and it says that AC off due to high engine temp. And the car hasn't even been running, so, weird message. Now I read up online and it said basically that the thermostat could be stuck closed. And this, even when the car runs, stays at below 50. It'll stay stuck there for, it does not move the entire drive. Even when I shut the car off, anything, if I start it the next day, nothing works for that gauge. So I don't know if that could be a sensor, something like that. I don't know. The cooling fan kicks in, it runs for a little bit, it acts like the engine's overheating. Not even hot to the touch, it's actually cold. So I'm thinking, I had a coolant leak, as you can tell I'm low on coolant, so I gotta fill that back up. I'll fill it up and it'll be good for about a month, it'll be good for 3 weeks, it all depends, it just acts up. So I'm thinking that's down here. This is the water outlet housing. My reservoir, I think, is leaking as well. I heard there was problems with that. And I'm thinking my thermostat. Could be the sensor, which is that L-shaped piece. That would be the sensor right here. And connected to that is the thermostat housing, thermostat. But yeah, my fan stays on. That comes up. I already got to change that piece down there. Yeah, that basically sums it up. So those are the problems with the Chevy Cruze right now. I'll kind of keep you guys updated, let you know what goes on, that message and everything, and all the fun stuff. Yeah, time for coolant. Alright guys, you have a good day. I hope mine gets better.